I'm like,
stop.
Here we go. You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Quick full of head, all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking.
what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? I got my play button. I earned it. What? All right, y'all. So today I am about to do my unboxing of my YouTube play button, and I am getting this play button because I reached 100,000 subscribers, and I knew nothing about the YouTube play buttons up until like a couple months ago. I didn't really know anything about what you got when you got subscribers, any of that stuff. I had just came across a video that basically people were cracking them in half and stuff. I'm like, what are they doing? Trying to open and see what's inside of it. There's nothing inside. But when I did reach 100K, I was looking for my plaque. I thought it was going to come like in the next 2 weeks. And I was just like, but you have to go in and basically request it and then have them like prove that you have reached the different milestones and stuff like that. But there was something going on with like my redemption code, so I did contact one of the creator help centers or whatever, and whoever was going back and forth emailed me like every couple days, definitely every week, and let me know that she or he, whoever it was trying. There had been something going down. YouTube was down. She hasn't heard anything back, or he, I don't know why I keep saying she, but whoever, they haven't heard anything back from YouTube and all that stuff. So then last week they did let me know that everything was pretty much set, and here was my new redemption code and the link to go basically request for it. And when I clicked the link, it worked. I put the redemption code in. They asked for my name, what I wanted on the plaque, like if I wanted my YouTube name, if it was spelled correctly, all that good stuff. And next thing you know, it was here in the next couple days. I looked outside to find this, and everybody knows you don't get packages from YouTube unless you pop in. But this is what I got from YouTube. I hope y'all can't see my address, but I am just about to open this, and I had a dream that I cried. So if I cry, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really emotional when it comes to this because I just had a channel for about a year, and it has just been like an amazing year. And I'm just gonna get to open it before I get emotional because I'm about to cry. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so sad. Like, the packaging is so pretty. Okay, I've never been one to do well with like cutting stuff open, so you guys have to excuse me. I'm trying to be very gentle. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, first layer. This smells like money. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna read the certificate or whatever this is about to say. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan something, CEO YouTube. There's also a little card in here that says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement, and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or have any questions, let us know, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Guys, a mirror. This is probably the most beautiful and most expensive thing I've ever held in my hand. I'm like, I'm not gonna cry, but like, here we are at 100,000 subscribers, a year into YouTube, and I am just like, this is my life now. YouTube is my life, and it's like my full-time job. And a lot of people ask me, like, why do I really do YouTube? And it's like, I never knew that I knew you could make money off YouTube, but I thought you had to have millions of views and subscribers. My initial purpose was to never, like, you know, use YouTube for a job. It was never to become an ambassador. It was never to, I'm really not sure what I expected. Just one day I said, I'm gonna make a video too. I have natural hair. I wanna show 9 styles you can do on natural hair. So I went and I got it. I put my camera right here at this exact same place, and I filmed on my phone, and I edited the video on my phone. I searched up how to edit, what I could do, found some music, and I posted it. And I spent hours and hours trying to figure out the system, how to post, what goes in the description box, the title, how long it's gonna take to upload, how you do a thumbnail, all that type of stuff. And a year later, I'm getting a silver play button in the mail, and I'm sitting in the same exact spot where it all started, and I'm getting super emotional. And I'm not gonna be that YouTuber that cries on camera, so if I cry, I'm definitely turning the camera off. But I'm just like super, like, I don't know what to say, because it didn't hit me. Like, the box has been sitting in my room for a couple days. I'm just like, my play button's in there. But to see this play button, knowing that not everybody gets it, you know. There's a lot of people on YouTube with 100,000 subscribers. There's a lot of people with 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. There's people with 300,000. There's rarely people with, you know, the millions. But to be recognized with a big milestone is just really huge for me. I don't know what to say, and I wish I had something to say. I don't know, but I got a freaking play button. Like, oh my gosh. It says, presented to ExclusivelySa for passing 100,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna put this on my wall. I'm gonna bring it to college with me. I'm gonna forever have this. It's gonna be in my household. I'm gonna probably have a whole silver room, gray room dedicated to it, because I don't care. 100,000 can be small, but I mean, if you look around you, it's not like you could just walk outside and everybody around you has 100,000 subscribers, or not everybody around you has a YouTube channel. So it's just like that. It's something that distinguishes you from, you know, everybody else, kind of. And it just makes me very proud of myself. Rarely do I sit and like appreciate myself, because it's important to stay humble and just, you know, continue to do your good deeds. But right now I have to boast and say how proud of myself I am, because I'm one to give up, to get lazy, to not stay on it. And that's what I've been doing lately. That's why I haven't been posting. That's why my content hasn't been that good. It's just because it's gotten kind of old to me. Probably because I didn't have the good motivation. Like when I first started my channel, you know, I had so many fans and subscribers that were just like motivating me to do better, and I think everybody kind of just got comfortable. So everybody was just like, it's a family, and I really had no motivation. But recently it clicked that this is what I do. I make videos to help people. I review for people. I'm an ambassador for clothing, lash, beauty, hair, all that stuff. And this is what I do. This is me. Like, I'm a YouTuber. So it's like, I have to like one day just give myself a pat on the back and keep it moving. But today is just going to be my appreciation days to my YouTube plaque, because this is just beautiful. Hearing you guys' opinions on why, you know, you may not have been as supportive or what you want to see is always good. That's why I always say in videos, comment what videos you want to see. And I'm always working on it. Whether you guys think I see every comment or not, I go through every single one of my videos for the whole week and just like look at comments. Whether I, you know, like and heart them or not, I see everything. So I know your requests. I know what you want. I know what you don't like. I see all the comments. And I do appreciate every single bit of criticism, whether it's hate comments or not, because every single comment has motivated me to do better, or to, you know, cut back on this or not do that anymore. So I'm not going to talk too much, but I'm very appreciative of this, and I wouldn't have got this if it wasn't for you guys. So I think I should definitely just share this. Like, this is our play button, and every single one of the people that are subscribed, this is for you. This is together. I wish I can like send out 100,000 of these to each one of my subscribers, because this is not just mine. Like, I didn't do that, you know. You guys did that. So I just want to thank everybody for the subscribe. And your girl is back in action. I have content out of this world in my head, and I am ready to bring it to the table, ready to bring it to YouTube, ready to have some fun, ready to be that YouTuber, ready to kick it, ready to just have an amazing time and work on this next milestone. So me and my play button is out the video. Bye.